newer Scarlet and Violet sets. And let's see what we get. Come on. Oh my god! No! No way! No way! No way! And let's open this and see what we get. We got a jungle pack. Okay, so it's not first edition, it's just unlimited, but we've got a jungle pack. This is the first time I'm ever holding a Wizards of the Coast pack. We've hit the Master Ball, we've got that jungle pack, and we're opening it. I'm going to keep the pack as fresh as I can. Every card. Okay. Okay, so all I'm looking for is a holo. Okay. Paris and Kangaskhan non-holo.